We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to highlight that we're using the HITBTC chart, and since the HITBTC, the price is much more lower from the other exchanges, which is somewhere around 0.07. And now I want to see how we can look at the chart and whether we can look for trade or not. First things, if we move to daily chart, as we can see, the price almost broke the previous low. And even if you look at this one as a flat, we want to see whether we can expect this one turn to reversal, or even this one can turn similar to what we have here. That means we will be within this down move for longer term. Okay. By the way, since we get the reversal and right now we're looking at this correction, if I zoom in, that's why if we get any trade setup for buy, we will take the trade. And right now we want to see whether we can get any trade setup from here or not. In this case, we move to forward chart. We want to see how we can look at the chart, and this is what we get. All right. And for me, if I get any trade setup for buy from here, I will take it. And with the breakout of 0.075, I will start to manage it because almost the price is very low. And even if we move to 1 hour chart, we want to see how we can look for trade based on 1 hour chart. All right. And this is what we can see based on 1 hour chart. That means we're looking at this correction in relative to this. Any short move from here, we will take it, and with the breakout of the previous top, which is somewhere around 0.075, we will start to manage it. But how to look for trade? The only way is to put our entry above the top if we move to 15 minutes. That means having entry above this top, which is somewhere around 0.072, can be an option. 0.072. All right. Either we put exact at the top, which is 0.0718 or 0.072. The best thing is we put our entry as 0.072 and what we want in case the price sharply continue from here. Because if we want to look at this one as a flat, as a 1, 2, 3, almost the price retests the previous low. That's why we can put our entry above here, and with the breakout of this stop we start to manage, at least move our stop loss to break even. And we should know what we want. We want to see the continuation as a sharp move, not the corrective move. If it tends to a corrective move, or like if the price tag over entry is not moving, we are not going to keep the trade more than 2 hours, because right now we're looking at this correction. Okay, because in the bigger picture we can expect this one turn to a flat, and even we can expect this one to retest this top, which is 0.075. If the price is not moving, still we can look at this one as a flat. That's why if the price cannot break 0.075, this is where we are going to move our stop loss to break even. We are not going to keep the trade. Okay, anyway, if we get any trade setup from here, we will take it. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.